I've started the recording, and then I should just share the screen. All right. So I think everyone is admitted. All right. I hope everyone is admitted. If someone is not, that you can. All right. I've also admitted roll number 27 too. All right. Everyone is admitted, I think. Right. I was just trying to explain to you that this is a very powerful statement which we are trying to make here. And that statement is that the expected discounted reward, all right, expected value of the discounted reward is actually equal to the all right, I think everyone is entered, is actually equal to the expectation of our rewards up till a time t where t is exponentially distributed random variable. So here comes the advantage of exponential distribution. So you can actually represent the average rewards, okay, in terms of an exponential time. All right. So this exponential time, actually, this will also become apparent when we will taking it to, higher complexity problem respect to networks. Let us try to go further. Achha, how can we prove this? This is the statement that we have making. All right. So we are saying that t is an exponential and a variable. This is actually the t time with, let us say, with the rate alpha is the same rate by which you are applying your discounted rates. All right. And now t is the exponentially distributed random variable. Yes, it is totally independent of the rewards. All right. This statement we want to prove. All right. Let us try to understand. First of all, I say I define a random variable I, which is equal to 1 if x is less than t. All right. You know what is this? X is just the time at which I'm getting some reward or function of some time. If the time is less than t, I is equal to 1. But if the time is greater than t, then I is equal to 0. This is just a random variable that I've just defined to make the mathematics, easier. All right. So I've admitted the last student also. So everyone is admitted now. Okay. This is just, making it easier. Many times you will see that we make these random variables whose one value is 1 and the other value is 0. So that expectation is just around this 1. And you will see also this here. Now, so integral 0 to t r of x can be written.
सर ये ix किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था सर, ये रिपीट कर दें जरा.
मैं बता रहा random, this is a random variable I of x which we have just defined to make the mathematical part on to solve this distribution, okay, in easier steps. Many times, this is not the first time, we have also done in the past lectures. एक और स्टूडेंट आ रहे हैं माशाल्लाह, काफी स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं आज तो. Admit roll number 25. Hey, roll number 25 is in our class.
नो सर.
तो वो कहाँ से ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं फिर?
सर पहले भी मीटिंग में एक स्टूडेंट था.
अच्छा, चले आने दे
सर, उनका आज लेक्चर नहीं है ना.
अच्छा चले, वो ये तो फैज है, फैज आम
दोबारा आ गए.
अच्छा, मैंने कहा चले मैं ये फैज आम ही फैला है तो जिसने फैज लेना है वो ले ले. चले पावर वालों को भी कुछ समझ आ जाएगी कि आगे टेक्नोलॉजी किस तरफ जा रही है. You know what has happened in UET? Stochastic processes has been made compulsory even for power engineers, because even for power systems you need stochastic processes to predict and to find and to solve problems. So Punjab University will be following suit because our master is quite advanced and we are looking for the future. So they will be also making this stochastic process